Welcome. If you want to set up alarm clock in your ASUS ZenFone Max M2, for the first you have to open your clock, go for the alarm, and here we are with the two default alarms, so we can activate one of them. And if you want to adjust it, you just click here. If you want to change the hour and the minutes, you are enter here. Here we are able to set up the repeat. We can set up the days, we can change the ringtone, we can add the vibration, we can also add the label and change the Google Assistant routine. So for example, we can add here to play the podcasts after the alarm. And if you want to delete, you can also do this by clicking here. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.